In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 watch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you purchase your Galaxy Watch Fit 3, it is going to include a proprietary cable that you must use to charge it. So unlike other smartwatches, where you will charge them using a specific charging pad or a charging puck, this particular watch model will feature these two pins at the back. To charge this device, you must use the provided cable, which is going to provide power through these two pins here. So look through the box and grab the appropriate cable. This is what it looks like. So it is going to have these two exposed pins, and it is going to connect into these pads here on the watch. It is going to have a cable, and the end of this cable should be a USB-C that you can plug into a valid power source. So all that you have to do now is make sure that you attach this magnetic pad or this magnetic end of the cable with the pins. It should line itself up perfectly. So there will be a cutout here to help it line up with the back of the watch. Once it is plugged in, it will be magnetically attached, indicating that the pins are making contact. And now, like I said before, the other end of the cable, which should be USB-C, can be plugged into a valid power source. This includes many things. You can use a standard wall adapter, so you plug the USB-C cable here, and then you plug it into any wall outlet to begin charging. You can even charge it using your phone, so you just plug the cable into the charging port, and the battery will be taken from your phone and go into the watch. And of course, you can use a power bank, a laptop, your car, any sort of valid power source. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.